What's up, lifelong learners? It's your boy, Mr. Hang. So today I'm going to teach you how to clone yourself. I'm going to have myself over there doing jumping jacks, and I'm going to have myself over there doing shadow boxing. So the key here is you should not overlap yourself, because if you overlap yourself, you're going to make your life a lot harder to edit this together. So make sure if you're standing right here, don't stand next to yourself like this. If I'm standing right here, make sure I'm standing far away that way or that way over there. And then on top of that, you need to have a consistent exposure. If you don't have a consistent exposure, you're going to have a hard time editing this together because the exposure is kind of off, and it's going to be really interesting to deal with in post. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and start the editing process of how do you do this. All right, so that's basically it. You're gonna have 3 videos and make sure you're on a tripod. So it's pretty much gonna be like when you do this. You're gonna have all this right here, A, B, C, D, E, F. I'm not gonna read it for you. You've done it before. Now we're just doing it in video format. So I'll do Command Tab here, go back to Premiere. So how do we do this? Well, first you're gonna have to make a sequence. You're gonna go to File, New, Sequence. I shot in 1080p. I'm gonna name this one Cloning Myself in Premiere Pro. Make a new sequence. First clip is me talking, so it's this one right here. I click and drag that, put that on the bottom layer, keep existing setting. Okay, expand that out, and then I'm gonna go to the part where I say I'm gonna clone myself over there. Have myself over. All right, so now I'm gonna go to the jumping jack video. I'm gonna click, drag, put it on top, hold Option, click, or just click. Or you have to hold Option, click. I changed my settings, but I just need to click, and I can remove the sound, make the video shorter, like that, and then I'm gonna apply this effect called the crop. So you go here, go to the effects, go to effects, search crop, take the crop, drop it right there, go to the effects control. I'm going to crop from the left, like that. There you go. You can kind of see the exposure kind of messed up. You see that line right there? So I'm just gonna crop out that side, leave it about right here where people can't tell. There's a difference in exposure. There's like a line right here. Some people can't tell. Professionals can tell. So now what you have here is to clone yourself. I'm gonna have myself over there doing jumping jacks. All right, and then I'm gonna go to the next part. I hear the word over there. I'll find my other one where I'm shadow boxing. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one right here. I'll click and drag this and drop it right there. Actually, I just want the video only. I'm just gonna click this right here. I don't need the audio. And I'm gonna have myself over there doing. All right, so this video is blocking the other videos at the bottom. So I'm gonna apply the crop tool or the crop effect and come over here, and I'm gonna crop from the right. There you go. About right there. You can see that line when I go across myself, right? So put it in a place where people can't tell there's like a difference in the exposure. And then when you play this back, let me just make this shorter. When you play this back, you'll get something like this. How to clone yourself. I'm gonna have myself over there doing jumping jacks, and I'm gonna have myself over there doing shadow boxing. So the key. There you go. That is how you do it. Hopefully you learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I know I'm joking. Anyways, we say goodbye with rock, paper, peace. That's how you clone yourself in Premiere Pro.